Hi everybody, welcome to Willis Elevators, and we're gonna do the hotel tour here at the Holiday Inn and Suites in Centro Histórico in Guadalajara, Mexico. Here's the view of the lobby, and I wonder who that is. Transcendence. Anyways, right there's the main entrance. There's the Holiday Inn and Suites logo. There's where you check your temperature. There is where you, I don't know what it does. Right there's the front desk. And right here is the business center with just a computer. Here's the snack market with the refrigerator right there. Right there's the luggage cart. And right there, I don't know what that place is, and right there's the public restroom. There's where you get your hand sanitizer. Let's go upstairs and tour the breakfast area. There's the ATM, which is out of order. And I don't know what the brand of this elevator is, so let's go up to one. And we're gonna look at the breakfast area. Here at one, I need to point out the camera. I think I'm wrong. Here are the paintings right here, or the picture, I'm sorry. And there's that mirror right there. And here's the breakfast area. Right there's where you check your temperature again. And here's everything. There's the TV right there, which I'm not gonna get a copyright. There's the piano right there. There's everything to get your breakfast. Social distancing. Here are the seats blocked off to do the social distancing. Buenas. No voy a comer ahorita. I need to point out the TV. I need to point out the camera because I don't want to get a copyright. Oh, by the way, right there are the restrooms. Anyways, let's go upstairs now to tour the room. Let's see, which one will it be this time? This one. And look in the mirror. Hello. I passed it. Right there's the fire extinguisher. There's a place to sit down. All right. Oh, I accidentally hit 3, but we're going to 4 because that's where my room is. Let's get a cat view. I really like this elevator. Look at the mirror. Hey. And here we're at 4. Alright. Should close up now. Right there is the pause if you want to read. Oh, there it goes now. Here's the evacuation plan. Anyways, we are in room 418. Right there you have your fire alarm. Here in room 418. We're going to pause it here and do the room tour. All right, this is going to be the hotel room tour here at the Holiday Inn and Suites in Centro Histórico in Guadalajara, Mexico. We'll be touring room 418, and here's the view of the hallway. So, let's check out the room. Here's this key card. All right, if you're coming here, turn that light on. You have a nice room. Here are the 2 queen-size beds. Look at the mirror. Hey! Do like these beds. Right here's the telephone and no alarm clock. And there's the TV remote. Right there's the lamp. And here you have the LG TV. Right here is the a little fridge. And here's the closet with iron and or the ironing board. Right there's the ironing board. And right there's the safe. There's your hooks. And right there's the coffee maker. Right there's the evacuation plan. And let's get a view out here. Here's just, there's no view out here, but here is the hotel exterior. And here, there are the other rooms over there. So let's check out the bathroom now. All right. Let's cut the lights on. Here's the bathroom. Look at the mirror. Hey, here's your sink. And right there is the commode. It's an American standard. And here you have the shower. And there's the shower head. Here are the fixtures. Let's turn on the shower. It's a Moen. And right there's the hair dryer. There are your soaps right there. Oh, look at this interesting light. So, what do you guys think of this room? Like it? And let's get one last view of this beautiful looking room. I do like this room a lot. Well, that's gonna end it. So, hope y'all enjoy the room tour of the Holiday Inn and Suites in Centro Histórico in Guadalajara, Mexico, room 418. And that is going to be it. And thank you all for watching. And that's it.